Hi everyone, welcome to our first ever online assembly. To start with this afternoon, we'll have our acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge
the traditional owners
and custodians of this land. We acknowledge
the waterways,
the land, the sky, and all who
inhabit this place.
country.
We acknowledge
Our ancestors.
We acknowledge
our elders.
Who have gone before us.
And those who stand for us today.
We acknowledge our past
and stand here for our future country.
Now it's time for our national anthem. Can we all please stand for the national anthem? Time now for our Student of the Week awards. And firstly, from Freya and Best class, the Student of the Week is Lewis, and this is for caring for his learning. Well done, Lewis. Next, in Olivia's class, Student of the Week is Mia. This certificate's for caring for her learning, doing a great job settling back into school learning. Well done, Mia. In Taylor's class, the Student of the Week is Jacob. He was caring for himself, doing a great job with the zones of regulation. Well done, Jacob. In Vanessa's class, the Student of the Week is Abraham. Well done, Abraham. He's got this award for caring for others by cleaning up. In Pat's class, there were two Students of the Week. So one here for Daniel for caring for himself, doing a great job settling back into class, and also for Seth, who did a great job caring for his learning, retelling a story and making comments about what he's read. And then in our senior classes, Students of the Week are Zaid, who was caring for his learning, working safely and being a great helper in the gardening program. And finally, Sandy, who did a great job caring for her learning with some fantastic artwork in morning rotations. Well done to all of our Students of the Week.
Now it's time for our care ticket winners. Let's see who our winner from Early Years O is. And the winner this week is Mia. Okay, middle M, Daniel. Middle W, Dominic. Okay, we've got Early Years S here, a bully. And our last one today is Early Years F, and the winner is J. Well done to all our prize winners.
Hello, happy Friday. I'm here to tell you I'm super excited because next week the Care Wheel is back. Teachers, get your kids to get a care band and we'll see them on the care wheel next week. Until then, goodbye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Time now for our birthdays, and this week we're celebrating Josefa and Anthony's birthdays. Happy birthday.
This week's author of the week is Jason from EYO. He has done some great writing using his alphabet flip chart and writing his name. Well done.
That brings us to the end of our assembly, so let's all sing together the Kuraby song, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great weekend.